Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Xcode from the App Store and open it once so the license and components install. Once done, install command line tools with Xcode select Install in Terminal. This gives you Clang and Make. Make sure your Mac OS meets the minimum version and that you have sufficient disk space. This step unlocks the compilers you need for C++ projects and prevents build failures later on. Next, create and configure your C++ project so you can compile and run quickly. Choose File, New Project, then Mac OS command line tool and select C++ as the language. This creates an executable target. Edit the scheme or build settings to set the C++ standard. For example, std equals C++ 17, because standards affect features and correctness. Add source and header files to the project navigator, and configure header and library search paths if you'll use third-party libraries. Once set, build to verify the toolchain works. Finally, build and run your program and be ready to troubleshoot one common issue. Use product, build and product, run to compile inside Xcode. Check the build log for errors and the exact line numbers. For quick tests or to isolate problems, compile in terminal with clang ++std equals C++ 17 main. CPPO main. If builds fail mysteriously, clear derived data and restart Xcode to reset caches, because stale build artifacts often cause confusing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.